Hello friends, welcome to Student Corner. Today we will discuss some more important problems in probability. First example is, a game consists of tossing a coin 3 times and noting outcomes each time. If getting the same result in all the tosses is a success, then find the probability of losing the game. We know that probability of success plus probability of failure is equal to 1. Sample space is, we tossed 3 coins same time. We have these possible outcomes. Head, 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 3 tails. Head, tail, 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 head, 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 tail, head, and tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, 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 head. There are 8 sample space. The question they gave that getting the same result in all tosses is a success. Same result, we have 2 outcomes. Then probability of success is 2 divided by 8. Now probability of failure is 1 minus 2 divided by 8. By doing LCM, we will get 8 and 8 minus 2 as numerator. We will get 6 by 8. Cancel with 2, we will get 3 by 4. Now the probability of failure is 3 divided by 4. Now the second example is, a letter of English alphabet is chosen at random. Find the probability that the letter is a consonant. We all know that number of English alphabets are 26 and sample space is 26. In that vowels are 5 and consonants are 21. And hence we will directly write the answer that the probability of consonants is 21 divided by 26. Now coming to the next example. A box contains 12 balls, out of which X are black. If one ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be a black ball? If 6 more black balls are put in the box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what it was before. Find X. Total number of balls are 12 balls, out of which X are black, and hence black balls are X. Probability of black ball is X divided by 12. Favorable outcome square, possible outcomes. The question they gave, 6 more black balls are put in the box. And total number of balls will be 12 plus 6, 18. And black balls will become X plus 6. Hence the probability is X plus 6 divided by 18. Now in the question they gave that probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what it was before. And we will write PB dash is equal to double 2 multiplied with PB. PB dash is X plus 6 divided by 18 and PB is X by 12. We will cancel these 18 and 12 with 6. 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. By cancelling these 2 with this, we will get X plus 6 is equal to 3X. Now by cancelling we will get 2X is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 12. Now we will get X as 3. Thank you. I hope this video is useful to you. Please share and subscribe my channel.